Let's build Lego City. Sports car. Set number 60448. Let's go. Check it out.
What's up, Lego fans? GDP Builds here. Bricks is the way. Thanks for joining on today's Lego build, or Let's Build. Hope everyone's doing well. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. I do post daily. So today I'm building the Lego City sports car, set number 60488. Start this. Nice little red sports car, so I don't have to color swap it. Looks like it's only 4x. Nice little car. Definitely gonna go in the city. Nice. Looks really cool. It's got one minifigure, 109 pieces. Says it came out in 2025. Nice little set here. So, let's get a building. As y'all, got another pre-record here because I'm gone camping, and holy Toledo, folks! Me and my roommate were just talking the other day. Man, I got a brand new set and it still has plastic bags. When are these so-called paper bags coming? I got paper bags! Like, that's a shocker. Like, holy Toledo. You tell us you're gonna bring paper bags. We've only seen plastic. Here's the paper bags. And you know what? Just stick with the plastic. Anyway. Make sure you scan your QR codes for your extra 20 VIP points. I hope they're not numbered, because they're definitely not numbered. Ooh, this is a nice, interesting car base. This must be new. Very unique. It's got the Technic axles there and there, and Technic pinholes on the bottom. This is a really nice car base. Open this. I picked this set up the other day too. I went camping. I went shopping at Walmart to get a couple things for camping. I was like, let's pop over to the Lego store, the Lego section. And so I got this to build while I'm gone, to have this build and have this pre-record going off while I'm gone. So here it is. Just in that camera. Build it your way. That's what it says right there. Instruction menu or the digital. I like using the instructions. So we're gonna build the driver first. Hopefully I didn't get eaten by a bear, because you know this is a pre-record. So I'm not here live, I'm camping. So hopefully I didn't get eaten by a bear. Like, we do have bear spray, so there's no worries there. Okay, so he's got his legs, torso, head, and hair. He's also got a cell phone. Where is the cell phone? Cell phone. One thing I probably wish I could have done is like set up the music. Maybe I'll play some music in the background, just some light music. Anyway, I was looking for a cell phone. I was looking for the cell phone plate. Black. It's got some printing on it. Makes it look like a cell phone. But I can't see it. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Found it! Be good. So, put him together. He's got this nice little flower Hawaiian shirt underneath his jacket. He's got sunglasses on because he's a cool guy. A little bit of printing on the back. He's got a cell phone. Remember, no being on your phone while driving. That is very dangerous. So you got some printing, back printing. Really nice minifigure. Not too shabby. Alright. Step 1. We need the new vehicle base. Step 2. We need 4 of the tan Technics. Let's try and do something a little different. Put it here. I don't usually sort out pieces, I just like having everything there. Don't know why, it's just how I am. But just gonna sort this out by color. There's there. White parts. Bunch more reds. Go over here. Turns clear. Tan. Clear. I mean, now that's a little bit more organized. Alright, so we got our tan Technic axles, Technic pin axles. Just gonna go ahead and put them all in there. Step 3. One of these gold pieces goes at the back or the front. I don't know which is which. We need a 2x3 tile. That's going to go right here, in front of that gold piece. We need 1 blue 1x2 and 2 red wheel arches. The blue 1x2 is going to go on top of the gold. The wheel arches are going to go on either side over top of the tan Exo pins. Step, I don't know what step this is because it doesn't have step numbers. And I already lost count. We need a 1x6 red plate that goes right over top the back. We need 2 1x2 blues and 2 1x2 reds in plates. Blues go on the inside of each wheel well. The reds go right there. We need 2 more red 1x2s. Plates. They are going on top, right at the front. Wheel arches. Now I need a light bluish gray 2x3 slope and a 2x4 plate. The light bluish gray slope is going right there. Then we're gonna go and skip 2 studs and put the 2x4 blue plate right there. Next I need, excuse me, 2 black 1x6s and 2 red 1x6s. We're gonna put the blacks on top of the reds, like so. sure they're all fully clicked down. And then we need 2 red 2x6s. Click those on top. Then we're going to take these and put them on either side of the car. Next up, I need a 1x4 brick and 2 red 1x2 inward arches. The brick goes over top of the slope there, and these 2 go on either side. Next, I need 2 black 1x4 panels. There's 1, and there's 2. They go on the inside, like so. Next, I need the other gold piece and the 2x3 brick. The gold piece goes on the front, and the brick goes right behind it. Next, we need the next 2 red wheel arches. They go over top of the front axles. Next, I need 2x4 plate and the light bluish gray steering wheel. Steering wheel obviously goes in the driver cockpit area. You could definitely fit 1 minifigure in there. It's obviously a sports car. The blue plate goes across the top there. Really don't have a whole lot to say right now, other than, you know, just talking about this build. This 1x6 red plate goes there. I'm really happy. I was like, took the day off to do all this, because I really didn't want to do one more shift before going, so it's like I really needed like a break before the break. Now these like half rounded 1x2 bricks, they go right there and there. And we got 2 of these double-ended slope pieces, 1x4s, in red, obviously. Here and here on the back. I did also, because like I had mentioned the other day too, that I was summoned to jury duty. Fun. You don't want me to be on the jury. Just plain and simple. I did file for an appeal to not be a part of it. So I mainly just told them I just don't want to. I know it's not a good enough reason for them, but it should be a good enough reason. It's like, okay, you don't want to be a juror, we're not going to make you. But no. So dumb. Now we got these 2 of these pieces. These are really nice. They are going... Nope, that's not how they go. One goes here, like so. The other goes there. It's really coming together. It's a nice car. 2 black cheese wedges and 2 1x6 tiles. The cheese wedges are very clearly, obviously, the mirrors. Just where they're sitting. The red tiles go right there. Some nice detail into this. Let's see. One of these 1x4 round plates, which is really nice. Goes there. A 1x6 tile goes there. Not a whole lot I could talk about. There really wasn't much on the last shift of work. You know, hopefully you guys saw the Trucking with Bricks episode. That was pretty fun. Gotta try doing more of those. I did pick up another poly bag at the Dollarama before I pre-recorded this. This goes there. It's a city set. Cockpit windshield. goes there. This is really nice about this set. It doesn't have any stickers, which is really odd that it doesn't have any stickers for the license plate. It doesn't have a license plate. I just noticed that. Because normally if it's a car, it'll have a license plate with the designer's initials and then the number of the set. These are some really nice pieces. They had some good details in. Go back there. I need 1x2 cheese wedge, this hinge piece, and this piece. That's going there. So it's got a little trunk, and the trunk opens. Love little details like this. And another 1x6, 1x6 black and red. 2 more of these. And 2 of these hooks. Let's see, black goes on top of the red. These 2 hooks. I wonder if this is a spoiler or just the bumper. What do you think? Off to the side. Next I need 4 translucent reds. Ah, yes. Okay, so it's just the rear bumper. 2 of these. 1 of these. And 1 of these. So Technic brick goes there. Translucent reds studs go on top of these half round bricks. Tile goes up there, and then these pizza wedge tiles go up on top of those. Interesting. Okay, so it's taillights, exhaust. That's what I'm guessing. I love how they did this as the style of like the swapping around sets, where you get to swap around the rear end. I love that style. I really do. So it's like you can come out with different rear ends and different front ends and swap them around. That's pretty cool. It's pretty dope. Alright. So you got these. You got this. Obviously, okay. Okay, I get it. It's like a water can, or like some water dispenser, and a sponge. So he could wash the car. So he could detail the car. Hey, there you go. Owen the Lego Master. You know what? Yeah, here we go. Owen the Lego Master. Here you go. This is you, Owen. You bought yourself. You did so much hard work of detailing cars. You earned enough money to buy a sports car so you could drive around and detail more cars. They go into the trunk. Those. 2 of these. 2 of these and 2 of these. Again, black on top of the red. Then these. Hey, Owen the Lego Master, get back there. We're calling that minifigure Owen the Lego Master now because he was detailing his sports car. These go there. Just need this. This tile. 2 of these. 2 more of these. And this wedge. So this goes on top of there. This tile goes there. Translucent pizza wedge. Translucent pizza. I can't speak right now. Red pizza wedges, and then this slope for the front grille. And that is going up front there. Then our tires and our rims. The rest is all spare parts. Move those off to the side. Interesting. No printing, they're just black plates. Or black tiles, but yeah. Make sure it spins. Give it a spin test. don't know where my ramp is. I have a ramp. I think it's in a storage container over there. Because I was going to do a ramp test. But here's the little red sports car. If you give me a minute, I'll go find it. I know my cameras make it look pink. I promise you. Okay, so one camera's making it look pink. The other camera's making it look orange. Which is hilarious. It's just their coloring's off. I promise you, this is red. This is original Lego red. Just my cameras have the worst coloring. For some reason, this one says pink, or shows pink, and this one shows red. Why? I don't know. But, for all, nice car. So just give me a second. I think I can find that ramp. It's a ramp. Yeah, it'll work. It's from my stunt series. It's one of the ones from the stunt series, so it's a little ramp. Yep. Remember, Owen, you cannot drive with the cell phone. Cell phone's going in the trunk with your detailing gear. Alright. Owen the Lego Master, you ready to drive your brand new sports car on the ramp test? Let's try that again. Well, it does not do a ramp test. Nope. It is just like catching right here on the bottom to where it is not, or it's just... Yeah. Nope. There we go. There we go. I mean, it's doing it now, so it just wasn't flush. That was the only reason. So it did it. Still, really cool looking car. Oh, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to smash that like button, hit that bell icon so you never miss a video, and hit that subscribe so, you know, you can help out the channel grow. Oh, let me know your thoughts on this, LEGO fans. Until next time, this is JDP Builds. Stay safe out there. Watch out for yourself. Watch out for your family. Tell them you love them. Bricks is the way. Thanks for watching.